Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most crunchy plantain chips. This is it. We'll be washing and slicing our plantain using our knife. We'll be slicing into tiny circles. Feel free to cut in whichever shape and sizes you want. So this is us cutting this is me rather cutting our plantain chips. So guys, do try to cut as slim as possible so it will dry fast. Do not make it to be so thick. Okay, so at this point we are done slicing the plantain chips and we'll be checking our oil. So in the oil I have some slices of onion just to add some flavor into the oil. So in a clean plate I have my salt solution. I added a teaspoon of salt and a little water. So I'll be scooping out the slices of onion because at this point they are translucent already. So I'll be proceeding to add the salt solution into the oil. This is because you wouldn't want your plantain chips to have those raw salts on its body. So we are beginning to fry already. So this is it. Bear in mind that the oil will not make it completely dry. You will still need to set it aside for it to dry completely and give you that crunchiness you so desired. So here we'll be having another method of it, which is the spicy type. Yes, so this is us. We've mixed our pepper and salt, dry pepper and salt, and we'll be mixing thoroughly on the body of the second batch of plantain chips. So this is it. This is what it should look like. So we'll be frying it in the oil. So few moments later we're going to be stirring and check if it's okay. So at this point it's completely okay. We'll be scooping it out and setting it aside for it to dry and give us that crunchiness we so much desire. Yes guys, so at this point, if you watched up to this minute, thank you so much to all my returning viewers and thank you so much to all my new followers. I so much love and appreciate you all. This is what we'll have. We'll be setting it aside for it to dry completely, maybe for an overnight or so, depending on when it dries. We are not in a haste. See you again some other time. Be good. Bye.